If you're moving from another state or you've never bought a house in Massachusetts, a lot of times people don't know who is involved in the buying process. This is Noune and Boston area homes. I hope after this video you will have a much better idea. So number one is the real estate agent. That's the first person you want to talk to, and they will actually sometimes help you get and to meet all the other people that you need. So for real estate agents, of course, you want to read their reviews, you want to talk to your friends and family and find somebody who is really good and who is very caring, who is very involved and is on top of things. Number two, you need an inspector. So you can find an inspector beforehand, even if you before you make an offer. So a lot of times when it's a multiple offer situation, I recommend my clients do a pre-inspection. So even before they send an offer, they already have done some kind of an inspection and they have an idea. So that way they can waive their inspection. Maybe your real estate agent will give you some names. Again, read reviews, talk to your friends and family. Inspectors need to be licensed in the state of Massachusetts and to have at least a few years of experience. Number three is the lender. So it can be a bank or it can be a mortgage broker who works with many different banks. I usually recommend that people work with mortgage brokers, but there are some instances that local banks will be better for you, especially for portfolio loans. So it depends. Again, if you have worked with that lender before and you know they are solid and they will be on time and everything will be done well, go with them. Or maybe your real estate agent can recommend someone. You also need an attorney, and that's when a lot of people that are coming from other states don't know that they need an attorney. In Massachusetts, you do need an attorney to draft and to review the purchase and sale agreement. So you cannot go without an attorney. Definitely the seller side will have their attorney, so you want to be protected and have your attorney as well. You want somebody who is local. You don't want to go with somebody who is your uncle's friend who lives in totally different state. You want somebody local and you want somebody who works in real estate exclusively. After you apply for mortgage, you need one more person. That's the appraiser. And the appraiser, you are not choosing the appraiser, the bank does. So they hire a company. It's a third party that goes and looks at the house and gives you the number that they think it's valued at, the house is valued at. They connect with the listing agent, they go and look at the house, and then they send you a report. So you will also need to buy a home insurance. So insurance agent is another person that you will need in your transaction. So I think that's about it. That's all the people you need. Subscribe and watch my next video, which is about the buying process in more detail.